In this video, I'll show you how to upload a file using the Google Drive node in N8n, step by step. If you want a quick and simple way to send files to Google Drive inside your automation workflow, this is exactly what you need. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n automation guides. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This can be an existing workflow or a new one you're building from scratch. Once you're inside the workflow canvas, look at the Nodes panel. From there, search for Google Drive and select the Google Drive node. After adding the node to your workflow, open its settings and choose the Upload File operation. This tells N8n that you want to send a file into Google Drive instead of listing, deleting, or updating anything else. Next, configure what you want to upload. Set the file input source so N8n knows which file to use. Depending on your workflow, this may come from a previous node, a binary field, or another file source in your automation. Then choose the destination details for the upload, such as the folder location if needed. Make sure the file reference is correct, because this is the part that determines exactly what gets uploaded to Google Drive. Once everything is configured, save your node and run the workflow to test it. If the setup is correct, the file will upload successfully to Google Drive using the node. That's how you upload a file using the Google Drive node in N8n. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.